Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss the second part of the lesson, what is glass. In the previous points we have discussed how we make glass, and glass is a manufactured means man-made material, and we are manufacturing it by putting sand, soda and lime in a furnace. What is furnace? It's a special fireplace for producing great heat. And we have learned about that the glass is transparent, so we are using them in windows and doors and car windows, and it's transparent means we can see through it and light can pass through it. Let's discuss the next topics of this lesson. Uses of glass. Yes, glass is used to make mirrors. You are using them at your home also. Ornaments to make them they look more attractive. Jars, cooking bowls, bottles and dishes. Lenses. What comes in your mind? Maybe you are thinking that people are using contact lens for their eyesight in different colors, but they are also transparent. So this is a picture of lens. How we make the lens? Transparent pure glass is ground into right shape and polished to make lenses. So first of all, what we have to take? Pure transparent glass, which is grind into a proper shape, the shape whatever the shape you want to give it to that lens, and then you have to polish it and then get lenses. Binoculars, they also have a lens to see far away. Telescope, cameras for making different pictures, spectacles for eyesight, and microscope. Microscope is an instrument which is used to see a very small thing that you can't see with the naked eye. You can see it with the help of microscope. Micro means small. Glass fiber. If you remember that the fiber word we have already read in our first chapter of balanced diet. The fibers are long thread-like structures. There we were talking about the fiber in the food material, but here we are talking about the glass fiber. A filament of glass is molten glass, which can be pulled into thin threads. After melting them, they are in the thread-like structure, and when we cool them, after cooling them, they become solid. They will take their shape and bunch together to make glass fiber. Bunched means they are in a group form, or they are collected like a bunch. So they are cooled and then become solid, and you know that when the things are solid, they can't change their shape. So after melting the glass, they are in the thread like structure, which is called glass fiber. This in the picture you can see that the first process was manufacturing of glass, sand, soda and lime. After that we are putting them in a furnace, then we are melting it, and after melting we get the thread like structure, and the cluster or the bunch we get in a solid form, that is glass fiber. Uses of glass fiber. To make boat hulls, car bodies, fishing rods, curtains, isolation to put in roofs. They are putting the isolation of glass fiber in the center of the roofs and in the walls. Why? To keep them warm, and they are used mostly in the very cold areas. Recycling. New things made by the old things, or new glass can be made from the old glass. In the picture you see that there is a bottle. When we are just destroy it and just putting in the dustbin, and then we are recycling them, make them able to reuse, and again we get a new material in a form of bottle or something else. So recycling is a process from which we get new things from the old things. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum students. Now we are going to discuss the second worksheet of what is glass. First of all, write down your name, section. Don't forget to write your name and section, and day 2. First question is, choose the best answer. Glass fiber is used in roofs and walls to keep houses warm. In microscopes and cameras, dash lens are used. Glass lens. Dash is used to make mirrors, bottles and jars. Glass. Dash glass is ground into right shape to make lenses. Pure glass. Molten glass can be pulled out into thin threads. New glass can be made from old glass. Match the column. Pure glass, lenses, thin threads of glass, glass fiber, transparent glass window. Let in light plus see through them. Toughened glass does not shatter. Write 4 uses of glass. So where we are using glass to make car windows, doors, bottles, jars, different things. Name any two materials that lens have in them. Cameras, telescope, microscope. 4 uses of glass fiber. Boat hulls, car bodies, and curtains, and fishing rods. Thank you.